Hello, welcome to Captain and Salty's Sea Rescue. Here's Captain Salty's boathouse. Okay, there's the wharf. And here's Salty. Okay, here's the sea here. And here's Captain. Captain is making his way to the lighthouse, which is just here. Here's the lighthouse. Lovely big lighthouse, built on the rocks in the middle of the sea. We'll just switch on the lighthouse light. There we go. There's the light. So the light's gone off now. Okay, here's the bridge. Across the sea. There's the beach. There's the beach. Okay. We'll give Salty a go now. With Salty over the bridge. Come out the other side. There's Salty. Up to the boathouse. There he goes. And switch the light on again. There we go. Here comes Salty again. There's Salty. Ooh, he's going fast. There he goes, over the bridge. Oops, just off the lighthouse. Here he comes again. There he goes.